Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss two questions that came in the year 2021 and is related to the topic air pollution. The first question is, why is there a concern about copper smelting plants? Number one, they may release lethal quantities of carbon monoxide into the environment. Number two, the copper slag can cause the leaching of some heavy metals into environment. And number three, they may release sulfur dioxide as a pollutant. Now, as far as smelting as a process is concerned, then by smelting, we extract base metal. In this case, we extract copper. Base metal by providing heat into the ore. So to extract metals from the ore, we provide heat or we burn them, and in by this process we extract base metal. While extracting base metal, there are also generation of waste products like slag, wastewater, so most of the copper smelting plants or copper ore, most of the copper ore are sulfur based. So when we do smelting, at that time there may be a release of sulfur dioxide as a pollutant. There is actually high amount of sulfur dioxide released as far as copper smelting is concerned. As far as copper slag is concerned, so copper slag can cause leaching of some of the heavy metals like arsenic, scandium, etc. So these can be released, and these are actually toxic metals when they are released into the environment. So once there is arsenic pollution in water, that water can become toxic for human consumption. As far as lethal quantities of carbon monoxide into the environment is concerned, so carbon monoxide is released, but that is then converted into CO2 by applying oxygen. So in a smelting process, lethal quantities of carbon monoxide is not released, and only 2 and 3 statements are correct. So our answer for this question will be B, 2 and 3. If we see similar nature question that came in the year 2021, so the question is, with reference to furnace oil, consider the following statements. It is a product of oil refineries. Some industries use it to generate power. Its use causes sulfur emissions into environment. So furnace oils are also known as bunker oils. And they are formed during the distillation process of petroleum or oil. When it is distilled, so byproduct can be through distillation of crude oil, crude petroleum or crude oil, we can find oil plus byproducts like furnace oil. Now these furnace oils are used by various industries for the purposes of generation of heat and power. The industries like cement manufacturing industry, then coal seams, also thermal power plants. They use furnace oils as a power source, as a source to generate power. So second statement is correct. First statement is correct. As far as sulfur emission is concerned, then there is huge amount of sulfur is released when furnace oil is burnt. So this is also correct. So D is the correct answer as far as this question is concerned. Thank you.